To begin sharing Young Living using your affiliate link and making money, you'll first need to upgrade your account from a customer to a brand partner. Becoming a brand partner with Young Living is simple and affordable. Simply log into your Young Living account and purchase a Business Essentials kit for $1. This allows you to start earning an income. Once your account is upgraded to brand partner, you will also have access to the virtual office, which we often refer to as the VO. Here's a quick guide on how to do that. You log into your Young Living account, click on Company, then Become a Brand Partner, scroll down and click Get Started, add your BEK, Business Essentials Kit, to your cart, check out, and congrats! You are now a brand partner. You will also have access to the VO, which is what you'll need for the next step.